Okay, so we'll just go to number 9. This is a big area, okay? We're basically finding all of this for number 9. Okay, and again, they're going to give you two things. They're going to give you the angle, and they're going to give you the radius. So right down here, we can say the radius is 14. And this angle, I'll just put right here. Doesn't matter where you put it. 270 degrees. Okay? So a sector doesn't have to be, just a small piece. It can be a giant piece like that. Okay, so I'm just going to write out what theta is. Theta is 270. Area is going to be pi r squared. In this case, it'd be pi times 14 squared. Okay, now the difference between this one is we will be simplifying. We will not be really using our calculator to get a decimal. We're going to be reducing it to a simplified fraction. So plugging that into the formula, it's going to be 270 over 360 times, I'm going to go ahead and simplify this down. What's 14 squared? I mean, you can use your calculator for that. 196. So that will become 196 pi. I can even write it up here if I need
Whoever
to.
said 7, that's an answer that I would have said. So don't feel bad.
Okay, now 9 times out of 10, you can reduce this fraction on the left. Okay, 270 out of 360, the 90 goes into both of them, right? So it'll be 3/4. 90 goes into 270 3 times. 90 goes into 360 4 times. It'll be 3/4 times 196 pi. Now the question from there is, can you reduce it again? The answer is yes, because 4 goes into both of those. So I'm going to take 196 and divide by 4. What's 4 times 50? 200, right? So it's going to be 1 less than that. So it's going to be 49. So I have 3 times 49 pi. Just going to go put that on another page because we're running out of space here. 3 times 49 is 147. Being slow. So your final answer for this one is just 147 pi. Again, it's just like arc length, where you just reduce it down. A lot of these are going to end up being fractions. It's not going to end up being a whole number.
It's 147 theta?
Thank you for pointing that out. I'm sorry.
Can you go back up?
Yeah, 1 second.
You got me. It's supposed to be pi, right?
Yes.
I went to write pi myself theta. I was like, when?
I understand. I'm sorry.